Am I the only one that didn't know Nelson Mandela could cook? It's a surprising and delightful thought, isn't it? Let's add a sprinkle of AI to the mix. The fusion of history and technology is truly fascinating. Imagine Nelson Mandela not just a freedom fighter, but also a master chef. With a little help from AI, of course. The possibilities are endless. Picture this. Mandela, apron on, asking his AI assistant, Alexa, how do I make the perfect stew? And Alexa, with her infinite wisdom, replies, just like you led a nation, with patience and love. It's a beautiful blend of tradition and innovation. He chops, he stirs, he even does a little dance while waiting for the timer. The kitchen is filled with laughter, love, and the aroma of a delicious, hearty meal. Because even the greatest leaders know, nothing brings people together like a home-cooked dinner. It's a universal truth that transcends time and culture. So, what would you cook if you had Nelson Mandela and AI in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your creative ideas and recipes.